Hey Mac users, let's talk about leveling up your typing game. Whether you're a creative, a professional multitasker, or someone who just loves a good keyboard, finding the perfect match for your Mac can totally transform your workflow. In 2025, we've got options that are sleek, feature-packed, and designed to meet every need. Whether it's multitasking across devices, sticking to a budget, or going ultra-portable. Stick around as we dive into the best keyboards for Mac in 2025 and find the one that's perfect for you. Finding the perfect keyboard for your Mac in 2025 is all about upgrading your workflow, and the options this year are next level. Let's start with the Apple Magic Keyboard, the OG that Apple users love for its sleek design, ultra-responsive scissor switch keys, and seamless integration with macOS. Whether you're working on a MacBook or an iMac, its Bluetooth connectivity feels almost magical, and the Touch ID version makes logging in and making purchases a breeze. The rechargeable battery lasts for weeks, and its slim, minimalist look fits perfectly into any setup. But hey, not everyone wants to splurge, and that's where the Logitech MX Keys S comes in. This bad boy is built for multitasking pros with multi-device pairing, meaning you can hop between your Mac, iPad, and iPhone with a single tap. Its perfect stroke keys offer a smooth, satisfying typing experience, while the adaptive backlighting adjusts to your environment. Oh, and let's talk battery life. It's USB-C rechargeable and lasts up to 10 days with backlighting on, or an insane 5 months without it. Seriously, it's a workhorse. Now, if you're looking for practicality on a budget, the Macally full-size keyboard is here to save the day. Gamers and spreadsheet champions, this one's for you. The numeric keypad is perfect for crunching numbers, and its straightforward plug-and-play design means no hassle with Bluetooth pairing or charging. Sure, it doesn't have backlighting or premium materials, but it's reliable and gets the job done. Feeling a little fancy? The Satechi Slim X3 is your perfect mix of style and performance. Made with a sleek aluminum body, it matches your Mac's aesthetic while delivering multi-device support and a backlit keyboard that's customizable with different brightness levels. Its USB-C connectivity keeps charging fast and efficient, and the compact design saves desk space without sacrificing usability. It's like the perfect balance of form and function. And for those constantly on the move, we've got the OMOTON Ultra Slim keyboard. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly portable. It's wireless and pairs effortlessly with your Mac via Bluetooth, and the battery life is surprisingly impressive, lasting weeks on a single charge. While it doesn't offer backlighting, its small footprint makes it perfect for tossing into a bag for travel or working in a cozy cafe. Each of these keyboards brings something unique to the table, so whether you're all about luxury, multitasking, budget options, or portability, there's a perfect fit here to level up your Mac game. Which one's calling your name? Let us know in the comments.